This is the Galaxy Tab 9 Plus 5G. In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset in case if you have a Patreon password and you forgot what it is. I'll show you step by step how you do factory reset from the recovery mode. This is Variety Stick. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and without any further ado, let's find out. Now, quick disclaimer before we start. Doing factory reset means you're going to lose everything on the phone. In addition to this, if you have a Gmail account was synced already to the tablet, you need to know the password and the Gmail itself, so that way you don't get locked with a Google bypass. Now, to do the hard reset, you just need to follow my steps, and they should be so easy to do it. First of all, you need to shut off the tablet by pressing the power key. Now, if you do this, the tablet won't shut off that because you still have to enter the pattern. So instead of this, we're gonna do hard restart. How we do this? First, we need to go to the two keys we have, volume down and power key. Press hold for 7 seconds. You just need to press these two keys for 7 seconds. And after 7 seconds, immediately remove your finger from both for 1 second and press volume up and power again at the same time. And then once you see logo Samsung, you have to release from the power and hold on the volume up. So let's go ahead and do it together, and it should be easy. The first step will be power and volume down. So we're gonna count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 second, volume up and power key. Hold till you see Samsung logo. Now release from the power and hold on the volume up, as you guys see, and immediately the tablet will take you to the recovery menu, as you guys can see. Now you have to navigate through the volume up down control. We need to go to wipe data factory reset. Should be this option. I apologize for the reflection. Now to select, you need to press the power key. Now you're going to get confirmation. You're going to lose everything on the tablet, like pictures, application, etc. Now go ahead and confirm and hit the power key and wait a few seconds. The tablet immediately going to take you to this menu. Now what you need, press the power key. Reboot system now. Press the power. Now it's going to take up to 5 minutes to complete the factory reset. Remember, after this you are required to use the same Gmail account was synced on this tablet. That was very much it. I wish you guys found this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up, subscribe for more new Variety Stick. Thank you so much everyone for watching. As always, we will see you in another video.